वासुदेवी भगवती भक्ति योग प्रेरिता जनयति आशु वैराग्यम ज्ञानंच जद अहेतुकम. So, the mission of human life is to acquire knowledge, jnanam, and vairagam, detachment. Jnanam means real identification, what I am. In the conditioned stage of life, we are passing on our days not in jnana, but ignorance, just like the animals. The animals, they have no jnana. They are pulling on their life with the bodily concept of life. A dog is thinking, I am dog. I am this body. He does not know whether he is dog or cat. These names we have given them. But he knows it well, that I am this body. So, this is not jnana. This chance is available when we are no longer cats and dogs, but human beings. Then we can understand that I am not this body. This is the difference between cats and dogs and human beings. The cats and dogs, they do not know that they are not the body. They are spirit soul. That they do not know. They know simply that I am this body and the necessities of body must be fulfilled somehow or other. That is their business. Whole day and night they are working just to fulfill the necessities of the body. Because there is no jnana. But in the human form of life, that is not the business. Therefore the Vedanta Sutra says, Athato Brahma Jigyasa. This life, human form of life, which is achieved after evolution of 8,400,000 forms of life. It is called Labdha Sudullamamidam Bahusambhavanti. Idam Shariram. This human form of body is achieved Bahusambhavanti. After achieving many other lower forms of life. Jalajanavalakhani Sthapra Lokha Vinshati. So many different forms of life we have to pass through to come to the standard of human life. Therefore, this life is not meant for spoiling like cats and dogs. This is jnana. They spoil the life like cats and dogs means ahara nidra bhaya maithun. Eating, sleeping, defending and sexual intercourse. These are the bodily demands. Samannam etat pasvi naranam. These are common formulas for the cats and dogs and the human being. But what is the meaning of human being? The human being is eligible to understand what is the value of life, what is the problem of life, how to make the solution. That is human life. Not that simply passing our days like cats and dogs, working very hard. Kastan kaman arhati bir bujangji. In the Shastras, this is warned again and again. Nayang deha deho ajang niloke kashtana kaman arhati virbhujang je. This human form of life is not meant for satisfying the senses. Kaman, kashtan, with great difficulty. Now eating is necessary, but a hog, he eats the most abominable thing, stool. But whole day and night he is searching out where is stool, where is stool, where is stool. So similarly, if human civilization is so made that simply for eating one has to work so hard day and night, so it is as good as the hog's life. It is not human life. Human life should be peaceful. They should get their foodstuff very easily, eat very nicely, save time for Krishna consciousness. That is human life. Not like hogs and dogs, simply searching after. But if we create such civilization, like cats and dogs and hogs, then Krishna will give us the chance to work day and night simply for eating, sleeping, mating and depending. That is the position now. We wanted it.